Good morning, dear kids. Today I'm taking your chapter 6, Square and Square Root. With that, we'll be starting with our exercise 1, chapter 6, question number 1, which says, what will be the unit digit of the squares of the following number? What do you mean by square? Square means when you're multiplying same number with its own number. So if I'm multiplying 81 to 81, what will I get the total number, my dear kids? That will be 6561, and you will notice the units digit is 1. Getting my point? So if I have a unit digit here in my number 1, so my unit digit of the square number will also be 1. What will happen when you have unit digit here as 2? So when you take the square of this number, you will notice that the unit digit of the square of 272 will be 4. Getting my point clear? For 9, you have to take actually the square of your last unit digit of your number. And now 9, it is 81. So what will be the unit digit of your square? It will be 1. For again 3, it will be 9. So unit digit of your square of that number 3853, you will notice, if you want you can calculate and see 3853 into 3853. You will notice that your answer is the biggest answer, 1484560 and 9. So last digit, that is the units digit of that number of the square of 3853 will be 9. They have not asked you to calculate and give the entire square of the number. You have to just find the, without calculations, you have to just find the unit digit. Okay. So you have to just take the square of the unit digit of your original number, and your square number will also have that number. I'll tell you how. See, now 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the unit digit of this number? 4. Iska square kar do. So 16. So your square number will have 6 as the units digit. Got my point clear? Next number is 26387. Now what is the unit digit of this number? That is 7. So what will be the square of this number? Whatever it will be, it will have the last number as the square of your unit digit of your original number. That is 7749. So last number will be 49. 4 you do not have to see. 9 will be there because 4 will go into the carry over हो जाएगा. So that unit digit will be the 9. Okay, then you have 5, 2, 6, 9, 8. What is the last digit? It is 8. So when you make the square of this big number 5, 2, 6, 9, 8, you will see that the last digit of your square of this number will have 4. Why? Because I took the square of 8 and that is 64. So the last digit of your square number will be 4. Then you have 9899880. Your last digit is 0 and 0 square is 0 only. So when you take the square of this big number 99880, you will get the unit digit of the square number also 0. Then you have the last digit of 12796 as 6. So you will notice 6, इसका square होता है 36. तो आप जब square करोगे इस बड़े number का, तो उस बड़े number का unit digit भी आपको 6 आएगा. Then you have 55555. So the last digit of the required numbers, the given number is 5. And when you take the square of this number, 5 का square होता है 25. तो unit digit हुआ 5. So unit digit of the square of this number will also be 5. So always remember कि आप अपने जो भी कितना भी बड़ा नंबर दिया गया है उसका यूनिट डिजिट देखो, उसका स्क्वायर कर दो और उस स्क्वायर का जो यूनिट डिजिट आ रहा है दैट विल बी द यूनिट डिजिट ऑफ योर फाइनल स्क्वायर नंबर. गेटिंग माई पॉइंट क्लियर? शैल आई टेक वन मोर एग्जाम्पल टू मेक इट मोर क्लियर? आई गिव यू नंबर्स, बिग नंबर 65964. नाउ जब इसका आप स्क्वायर करोगे, स्क्वायर करने के बाद माय डियर किड्स यू विल गेट अ नंबर, बट व्हाट विल बी इट्स लास्ट यूनिट डिजिट? दैट विल बी 4 का स्क्वायर, दैट इज 64. So even here you will get 4. 64. 4 is the unit digit. So unit digit will be 4 of your square number of this big number. Got my point clear now? Okay. Next we have to find the following numbers are obviously not the perfect square. Give reason. Now why these numbers are not I'm so sorry. I think I've skipped one page. Okay, by mistake I have skipped one page, so I'll take that. Okay, I'll write the question for you. You have to find the following numbers are not the perfect square, but you have to give reason. They are not perfect square. I'll write the numbers. Numbers are 1057, 23453, 7928, 22222, 6412 zeros. Then you have 89722, 222 and you have 505050. Now my dear kids, you have to look at your number, and if you get the end digit, if your numbers is ending with a digit 0, 2, 3, 7, 8, then such numbers will not be a perfect square. Let's see what our numbers are. Just see the unit digit 7. So it belongs to this group. That means 1057 will never be a perfect square. इसका आप square root find करते जाओगे prime factorization से, you will never get it. So 3 also belongs to this group. So what you will write, because the number is ending with 3 and 3 is not a perfect square, hence you will not get the perfect square of the entire number. Then you have 8 belongs to this group, so it will not be a perfect square. 2 belongs to this group. Then you have 0 belongs to this group. 2 here, 0 here, 0 here. So remember always, however big number it is, you have to just see the last number, the last digit of your number, and if it is 0 or 2 or 3 or 7 or 8, so you will say such kind of number, the entire, if it is 5 digit or 6 digit number, the entire number is not the perfect square of any number. Getting my point? Next we have, now they have asked the square of which numbers of the following numbers which would be odd numbers. अब स्क्वायर इसके, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था 431 है, तो नेचुरली इसका लास्ट डिजिट 1 है, तो जो स्क्वायर बन के नंबर आएगा दैट विल हैव लास्ट डिजिट 1. 2826, तो स्क्वायर बन के जो नंबर आएगा उसका लास्ट डिजिट 6 का स्क्वायर 36 मतलब 6. देन यू हैव 7779, सो लास्ट डिजिट इसका चेक करो, उसका स्क्वायर करो, 9 का स्क्वायर दैट इज 81, सो लास्ट डिजिट इज 1. 82004, सो स्क्वायर बनाने के बाद इसका स्क्वायर हो जाएगा 4 का, दैट विल बी लास्ट डिजिट विल बी 6. कैसे आया? सी गॉट माई पॉइंट. 1 का स्क्वायर 1, 36 का, सॉरी 6 का 36, सो लास्ट डिजिट इज 6. 9 का 81, so last digit is 1. 4 का 16, so last digit is 6. So this is how we find out the last digit of your square numbers. Now whether they are odd or even, now 1 is odd, so I'll write this is the odd number. 6 is even, so I'll say that the square will be even number. Again 1 is odd, so I'll say this will be an odd number. Again 6 is even, so I will say square is an even number. तो जिनके square के last वाले digit में आपको odd numbers आ रहे हैं, that complete square will be odd number. अगर last digit even है, so the complete square will be even number. My dear kids, you have to observe the pattern and find the missing number. You can observe what it is given. On your right hand side, you can see it is given 10201. In your next number, you have 2 zeros in between, 100, 2001. So in your next number, I'll put it 3 zeros in between. Getting my point? And your last number, I'll take it 4 zeros in between. So I have just observed the pattern and I have done this. And you can notice, you can find it out on your calculator whether you are getting perfect square like this or not. We have done just by seeing at the pattern. Okay. Now again you have to observe the following pattern and you have to fill in the missing number. Now you can notice here what it is given. Just see to it. You have on your left hand side you have 10, 12. Then you have 10 and 12. These two numbers you have kept aside and between you have put 10. And again 10 and 12 you have kept aside and between you have put 2 10. Now again 10 and 12, I'll keep it aside, and between I'll put 3 tens. Is that okay? Fine with this? Yes. Next, if you notice here, 10201. So I have broken this number 102, 201. I have kept 102 here, 201 here. Got my point clear? So I have kept 102 here, or you can also take 1020 and 0201. 1020 and 0201, and in between I have taken the next number of, here it was 20, I have taken here 30. So my number become 1020, 0201, in between 30. Got my point clear? Now how you will make it? Let's give a try. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So we will take 102030. Getting my point clear? I think we have mistaken with 0. I am mistaken with 0. I'll do it again. Okay kids, if you see this, if you observe clearly, it is 10201, your first number, this one, and then the pattern says that down it has come 102030201. That means you have splitted 102 201 separately, and between 030. Got my point clear? 030 the next number, 020 का next number 030, तो आगे आने वाले नंबर में हम लोग लिखेंगे 040, और आगे आने वाले नंबर में 050, और आगे पीछे वाले नंबर्स कैसे होंगे? जैसे आपने 10201 को स्प्लिट किया, 102 एक साइड, 201 एक साइड. गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? हाफ हाफ. तो यहाँ पे 10203 एक साइड और दूसरे साइड 30201. गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? अभी इसका हाफ हाफ, तो यहाँ पे आएगा 050 के आगे आएगा 1020304, और यहाँ पे आएगा 40300201. Got my point? You have to just look at the pattern how it is and just follow the pattern, you will get it easily. Again, you have to, using the given pattern, find the missing numbers. Now you can see what you have to do. You have to make relations. Now you can notice यहाँ पे 6 है, यहाँ पे 7 का स्क्वायर है, यहाँ पे 12 का स्क्वायर है, यहाँ पे 13 का स्क्वायर है, यहाँ पे 21 है, तो यहाँ पे 20 होगा, 20 का स्क्वायर. सो इट्स अ कॉन्सिक्यूटिव नंबर्स. यहाँ पे 30 है, यहाँ पे 31 है, यहाँ पे दोनों मिसिंग है. ओके, लेट्स सी व्हाट एल्स इट इज़. आई हैव नोटिस दैट 2 3s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 4 5s are 20. So 5 dash 30. So 5 6 square. So it will be 5 square 6 square. That will be 30. Got my point clear? Now 6 7 42. So here it will be 42 square, and naturally 42 ka next number is 43. So 43 square. So you have to observe the pattern and do it. Next, without adding, find the sum. Now if you notice here, I have given you all odd numbers, and odd numbers का addition कैसे होता है? You do not have to add manually. What you can do is you have to check 1 2 3 4 5. So how many numbers are there? 5. So make a square of it. That will be 25. So once you add 1 3 5 7 9, you will get 25 only. So especially when you have odd numbers, तो odd number का addition आपको manually करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, सिर्फ count कीजिए कितने numbers हैं. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So these are 10. So 10 का square will be 100. So you will notice when you are adding all odd numbers from 1 to 20, you will get 100. Next is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So 12 का square is 144. So you will notice when you are adding this list of number, you will get 144. So addition, without adding them, you have to find the sum. You can count the number of observations, count the number of numbers given, and make the square of it. Is that clear? Shall we pack up here? God bless.